Mm. Sarap. Take a look, guys, we're only at the side street and having this singha, the Thai beer. So right now we just checked in, trying out the green Thai curry chicken. Green Thai chicken curry. Hindi ako masyadong mahilig sa maanghang. This is so good. Authentic Thai food. So now I'm gonna try out the street food in Bangkok. This is what you call roti, egg, and banana. There's also different flavor. There is mango, there are chocolates, peanut butter, but Cats chose this one, so let's try it.
Kita nyo naman, kanina pa kami nandito pero ngayon lang kami nakabili kasi pinipilahan siya.
Walang katapusang kain. Let's eat again. These are eggs, small eggs. What did you have?
Fish. Fish stick and it has spicy sauce.
Is it spicy? Too spicy?
Moderate.
Moderate talaga. Hey guys, we found this restaurant and we're gonna try this food. This is a grilled pork. There's a special sauce in here and let's try this. And I have a sticky rice. So good. Also, we have the bestseller mango with pork, chicken, and shrimp salad. Let's try tofu. The best thing about the Thailand food, Bangkok food, they're very tasty. They are very tasty and chili, spicy.
Nakaka-proud ka naman, kumakain ka ng maanghang.
It's freaking spicy. One more bite. I just had a massage. It's creamy and sweet. What's this?
Shrimp pa.
How does it taste?
Yum.
She wants this.
One?
Topping free up to you นะครับ
Tapkan tap.
Any? Baby, anong gusto mo?
Everything.
Everything.
Okay.
Go. Alright, so now let's try the Thai ice cream that they put in the coconut shell. So, try it out. Kads did it, so she put some sticky rice, some langka, some corn, sweet corn, peanuts, and so good. What's next?
Thank you.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. She's gonna eat again. So I have ice cream. She actually had this ice cream and she's letting me finish this. And then she just bought a mango, which I'm not sure if she's gonna finish it. Instagram. Sarap. The green Thai mango with sugar in it and their special sauce. Ito hindi mo inubos.
Malamig.
There they goes. Look at them working. So cool. It's really worth the wait. Awesome. Really awesome. We're here in Khao San.